Goeiedag, is Christo hier van Sealant. Ons is weer in en om die huis. DIY, doen it yourself. Met Radio Overberg, jou stasie 101.8. Hierso gaan ons 'n asbestos dak doen vandag. En ons gaan jou wys hoe om asbes te behandel en te repareer met rubber sealant. Seker te maak jy kry 13 jaar waarborg, no more drips, no more leaks. Another bit of a pop and lap membrane. Another one of the fantastic jobs. Just to show you what happens with the membrane. Thank you. Here's all the water. So ek kan hom net al trek, kyk net hierso.
Die dak is in 'n baie slegte toestand.
So hier gaan ons bietjie kyk na 'n membraan op die kant van 'n gebou om te sien hoe dit lyk. Soos jy kan sien is lekker hoog af. Ek gaan 'n bietjie afer gaan net om jou te wys wat die membraan doen as dit bietjie nat is. Moet ek net my so all can you see 'n hele pocket. It's forming a whole pocket. Check this one on this side. Once again, very bad. So, just creating more water issues all along this ridge. So, dit is altyd belangrik om evaluasie te doen en dan alles te verwyder wat nie werk.
Staan nie vir 'n foto met Robben Eiland aan die agterkant.
So, reg onder al die paint is dit papsop nat. Kyk net die. So, die aluminium tape is oop. Al kan al die water in gaan.
Ja.
Hy dien geen nut hierso op hierdie oomblikie. So here guys, basically you guys can see we removed the membrane. So it's looking very well on the top. But as soon as you open it, you have all of these problems. It's wet mud. Still here on top, so all the water is just accumulating on the inside of all of this. So here on the roof where we're currently busy, just to show you the product we're taking off. So this is still brand new, you can see it's nice and shiny, but look at this. Now this is the thickness of this product. I don't know even how thick it is, but this stuff does not work. It's a membrane with a paint. So many products on the market like this, and we just have to repair it. It doesn't work. It just actually keeps all the water on the inside. So basically, just to give you, you'll check on this edge. I'm gonna zoom in now. As you can see, this is newly done, but check all the water on the inside there, right there by the skylight. So as we pull it off, track off. You'll just check it's completely wet. So all of this membrane and the product, it's just keeping the product in. So once again with the rubber sealant, no membrane needed. We're just gonna apply it and we're gonna fill out all of these gaps. So basically you guys can see all the strips, all the membrane we're busy removing. So now currently we are removing all of the membrane, as you guys can see here. And yeah, there we have a big hole in the roof as well. So just to show you guys, Junior, trek hom bietjie af daar. This membrane is so brittle, it comes off so easily. So once again we have a lovely piece of membrane. It's looking very well, it's looking very fresh. But we will start to open it up now. Jacko will open it up for us here, and then we will see what we have underneath this membrane. So die belangrikste element is wanneer jy 'n dak doen, is om alles te verwyder wat tans nie werk nie. Al die losdele, membraan, torchon, pap en lap, haal alles af, wat tans op die dak is, gaan terug na die basis toe, want dan weet jy dit word reg gedoen. So as you guys can see, this is very thin. So as we go along, you'll see there's already a hole straight through it. So we will peel it out and we will see what we're going to find here. I believe we'll need some water in some of those pockets, as we have seen before. So this is some of the membrane that we're removing here currently. This is the product that's on this roof. It's not working currently, and this is why we are fixing the situation on this roof. So basically you can see from here all the membrane, all the dark lines that we have removed up and down. We are still currently busy with the membrane. I can zoom in a bit and you can see all the grooves and the gaps we have on this asbestos. So instead of replacing the asbestos, that's very expensive, you can get the rubber sealant and rubberize it, and you're going to have a 13-year guarantee. So what we're going to do, we're going to strip this, scratch off all the moss, and we'll do a bonding liquid super plus from one side to the other side, and then we will start with the rubber sealant on all the seams and joints and screws. Then we will rubberize it completely from one side to the other side, and we will finish it with the new snow white. Ja, nee, tans wat ons doen, dit is met hierdie apparaat, ons kap ons al die mos gou af, soos hierdie, borsel hom lekker af, en hierbo lyk al heel wat goed, so die skroewe haal ons al die membraan af, en sien jy sal al heel wat, 'n groot stuk, al die dooitjies wat so gesien word, hier was 'n gat in die plaat, so ons sal alles net bietjie flash sny, maar dit lyk al heel wat goed. So wat van hier af gaan gebeur, ons gaan die Max Power Foam gebruik en ons gaan al die grooves, gaps, gate, enige probleemarea wat daar is, gaan ons uit foam en dan gaan ons dit net afsny, flush. Just to show you guys, so we're busy doing the fascia board. We're going to make it nice and flush all the way up. Just to show you guys how we're going to repair a crack like this with this situation. Junior, vang hom net daar. So it's easy, you foam it in, and then basically you can just push it down intact. Then now we leave it, and after this we will rubberize it and it will be a secure unit. Thank you very much, guys. So basically we're fixing the fascia board. As you can see, Junior is filling it out. If we go straight to the top, we're filling it out completely, the fascia board. And now we will repair this fascia board piece with the power foam. Maar vir ons terug. And it's as easy as that. So we repaired it, we will rubberize it, and we'll show you how it looks after it's completely done. Basically you guys will see on the asbestos roof, so here's a good example of, I mean, I can put my whole pinky in there, so I'm gonna foam it out and then we will just rubberize this completely. So as well, just to show you, so with the membrane we'll just remove it. As you guys can see, it's so brittle. It's doing absolutely nothing at this stage whatsoever. So there you can see in the corners. So we have removed all the membrane here, and then we will just foam it out completely and rubberize over this section. So there you can see how it's looking currently. So once again, even there I can put my finger in all the way. So very easy application. We use the foam, Power Foam Super Plus. And all along here. So once again, a very easy application. Just filled all of that out. There it will be like this. As you can see, it's very tough, making the barge board, reinforcing it. We will cut it flush and we will rubberize it completely. So securing the fascia board, and then from here we will start to cut it down and trim it. We will rubberize all of this whole section, doing a bonding liquid, rubberize it, so hopefully by day 3 we can get the bonding liquid on top of the roof. Let's go to this side. So here you guys can see on this section, I'm gonna touch the fascia board to show you how secure it is after we foamed it out, so they don't break anymore. It's really fantastic technology in securing and reinforcing these boards. They chip and break for all kinds of weather and the climate change and stuff like that. But now we can reinforce it. We will rubberize this whole edge coming down over into the first groove of the asbestos. Good morning guys, so here we're going to show you how to remove the foam. Very easy application. There you cut it with the hacksaw blade, you take it with your hand very easily. So easy to do. Stop to this. So here from the Nutsman from Jacko, one time, so easy to do. We cut it flush, and now as you can see it's nice and flush, so we will rubberize completely from that section going over to the fascia board. So the one that was broken, we fixed it immediately. Once again, reinforcing this fascia board, we can stand on it, making it absolutely much better and stronger. So wat van die dag gaan gebeur nou, nadat ons hom skoon gemaak het, gestrip het, alles verwyder het wat probleme is, het ons 2 laag bonding liquid Super Plus van Rubber Sealant aangewend, en dan sal ons op al die probleemareas 3 laag Rubber Sealant aanwend. Dit sal wees jou skroewe, jou seams, jou joints, jou overlaps, oralste waar die Max Power Foam aangewend is, en dan flush gesny is, het ons nou 3 lae rubber sealant oor dit aangewend. So ons het nou net verseker dat al die probleemareas eerste behandel is. Dan na die behandeling van die probleemareas sal ons met 3 totale lae van rubber sealant oor die hele dak gaan, van die een kant tot die ander kant. Dit sal ons nou verseker om 'n 3 mil coating aan te kry, soos wat die kan vir ons sê, en dan van hier af sal ons 'n 13 jaar waarborg hê van rubber sealant af. No more drips, no more leaks. Om altyd te onthou, die rubber sealant is UV stable en jy hoef nie 'n topcoat aan te wend behoor dit nie. Hy's gemaak om in die son te lewe, soos wat jy hier sien in hierdie foto's en in hierdie video's. Die swart is perfek om so aangewend te word en dit dan so te los. So wat hierdie kliënt gekies het is om die rubber sealant Snow White cooling agent te gebruik. Dit gee jou 'n 15 tot 'n 25 grade verkoeling. 'n Groot area soos hierdie van 720 vierkante meter wat pikswart is geneig om die son te trek en die hitte op te lig, maar weer eens die rubber sealant is gemaak om in die son te lewe tot 99 grade. Maar met die nuwe rubber sealant Snow White cooling agent kan jy 'n 20 grade verkoeling kry op jou gebou en jou struktuur.